Hello watcher and subscribers. Now here in the Python programming, our next program is largest among three number. So this time our logic is quite simple. We will do comparison among three number. So here what exactly happened? The first number will compare with the second and third. Second will compare with first and third will compare with first and second. And according to that, we will print output message. So first we will take three values from the user. So for that I am using variable A, B and C. So my first variable is A, and this time I am taking a float value because user can enter float value also. And we go for input statement here. So our first message is enter first number, so user will enter the number. So we just copy this code. So now here we will just change variable name. So user will enter three values here. So first number we will change this message. First, second and third number. So here user will read this message and enter the value. And after that our actual coding starts. So for that we use a conditional statement if. And as I told you, the first number, that is A, will compare with B and C. So we will write A greater than B. We will write greater than because we are finding the largest number. So we should not use equal. We have to use greater, A greater than B, and operator, because in and both condition must be satisfied. So here A greater than C. So that number A must be greater than B and C. If it happens, we will print the message here. So this is our message, and then we use a next case here by using else if. If this is A is not largest, got it? Suppose this condition is false, then it will go into the next one, and then we will take this time B. B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So here again we have to print the message B is largest. In this way you have to do it for the next case. So I just copy this code. Only I do changes in the variable C greater than B and C greater than A. I am putting three cases here. In the final case C will be largest. Then I am putting here else block for the special case. So in that else block we will again go for the output statement, and here in the else block we will write here enter, because I am expecting user should enter different value. Okay, so in such a special case I will write here enter proper input or enter proper values. Values will be more proper here for understanding. And now we will run this code. So you can observe enter first number 11, then next number is 2, third number I am putting decimal point. So here A will be largest. Then I do testing for the B value I am putting largest this time. So here the message will be B is largest. Then in the next attempt I am making C largest. So here C is largest. Then I am putting a special case here. Suppose first number is 66. Next number is same. Again I am putting same number. So no one is largest here. Got it? So we will get the else block. Enter proper values. Got it? Means the user will enter. If suppose we are doing comparison, means we are expecting different values. So the comparison will be meaningful. So in this way here we can compare the three number with each other. So you have to do practical by your own for your understanding. So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.